Hello everyone, welcome back to SmartBoost Studio. As we have started the conditional statements if else, so now in today's video we will discuss about the nested if. So basically nested if is using if statement inside another if, and we will discuss it by using examples so you people will understand it clearly. Now we will see how nested if works. For that we will solve an example. So firstly I will declare two variables. The first one is float marks and then float attendance. After the declaration of variables, I will get values from the users. So for getting values from the users, I will firstly display my message as cout, and then I will display the message as please enter your marks, and then these marks will be stored in a variable marks. So now I will write cin and then marks. After that I will display the second message as enter your attendance percentage, and then I will store that percentage in the attendance variable. So I will write it as cin and then attendance. We have completed the basic code by declaration of variable and getting values from the users. Now we will check the conditions. So for checking the condition, firstly we will write if and then a condition in parentheses. So the very first condition is marks greater than or equal to 50. So if marks is greater than or equal to 50, the condition is true. So the body of if will be executed. Here I will use another if and then a condition in parentheses, attendance greater than or equal to 75. So this is actually the nested if because I used it inside another if. So if the condition is true, attendance greater than or equal to 75, then I will display a message as result and then passed. But if the condition attendance greater than or equal to 75 is false, then in that case I will display another statement by using else as cout and then result as fail, and I will also display its reason that low attendance. The result is fail because of low attendance. Now here the nested if is completed. If a condition is true, then print pass, and if it is false, then print fail. At the end we will use another else and we will display a message as cout and then result fail, and we will also display its reason as low marks or insufficient marks. Now here the code is completed. So let me explain it first before running the code. So the very first condition is marks greater than or equal to 50. If the condition is true, then nested if will be executed. Otherwise result fail, insufficient marks will be executed. If the condition is true, nested if will be executed, and if the condition of nested if is true, then result pass will be executed. Otherwise result fail, low attendance will be executed. By clicking the run button, you people can see that it shows an error because the very first line hash include IO stream is written wrong. So I will correct it, and after running the code you people can see that it works. So the very first line is enter your marks. So now I will enter the marks as 79. After that it shows that enter your attendance percentage. So I will enter as 60. So the first condition is true, but the second condition attendance greater than or equal to 75 is false. That's why the result shows as result fail, low attendance. Now I will again run the code to check another condition. So by clicking the run button, you people can see that it shows enter your marks. I will enter as 45 and then attendance as 80. So here the very first condition, marks greater than or equal to 50, is false. That's why it shows as result fail and insufficient marks. Again I will check another condition. So by clicking the run button, it shows that enter your marks. I will enter it as 76 and then percentage is 79. So both the conditions are true. That's why it shows result as pass. So in today's video we have learned about the nested if. If you have any question, then ask in the comment section. Thank you.